Hello YouTubers, this is Nova Scotia Dave here. This is my 2012 BX25D, and my new project here was building a grapple for the backhoe. Stay tuned and I'll show you how I did it. Something I've always wanted to do was to make kind of a grapple system there, because the previous videos there I showed you how how I did the hydraulic thumb and everything else and that. I wanted something that is good for holding logs, for cutting and that, for reaching out and grabbing logs off a pile or in a wooded area, something like this here and that. So the grapple on the front there is great for picking logs up and everything else and that, but this has a reach that you can reach out and you can grab and pull in there. And so this is what I did. So stay tuned and I'll show you how I manufactured this. Yeah, using a plasma cutter is so much easier than using a grinder or a bandsaw to cut the metal there. This is 1/2 inch steel there and it just cuts it through like butter. Here I used welding magnets to hold the pieces in place so I can tack the pieces in. I wanted straighted edges there, so I took an angle grinder there and meticulously cut all the little notches in there on all the pieces there, so at least it has a good grip for anything I pick up, and they're very sharp. I copied the design and measurements of the bracket on the bucket there and made the identical one to fit onto the grapple. Before I went any further there, I wanted to make sure I had the full range of the grapple there, that it's not going to interfere with anything else, and it worked great. To add extra strength there to the bottom of the grapple there, I decided to use a piece of 1/2 inch flat stock and weld it on. And here you see the final product all ground up and cleaned up. Here it looks better once it's all painted up there and it's attached to the quick disconnect I have for the backhoe. And this is how it looks, and it looks very good. I had some scrap stuff laying around there, so I thought I would try the new grapple on there, and it works really well. It grabs well and holds well. just cut down a tree and I wanted to cut up for firewood, so I put it in a grapple and it held it nice and secure and I was able to lift the end up. The same with these other small pieces I had that I'm going to cut up for firewood also. To test the grapple more there, I had some old trees that I had cut down and they're laying back there, so I decided to try the grapple and see if I can move them around and push them back a bit, and it seemed to work pretty good. You can also use the bucket there, but I find it is wider and it has more of an area that it can grab and push in that. The hydraulic thumb there works really great when using the grapple. Well, I hope you enjoyed the video that I made there. I found it's a very useful attachment I made for the backhoe here. Also have a quick disconnect here, which makes it a lot easier to change different attachments between this and the bucket or anything else that I made for the backhoe here. And the hydraulic thumb there holds everything in place there. Great for logs and that. So if you like the video there, press the like button there, and if you have any comments, just jot them down there and then I'll get back to you as soon as I can. Have a great day.